Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the canvas so nothing interrupts your flow. Open Visio Pro and pick a template that matches your goal. Templates pre-configure shapes, stencils, and rules to save time. Once done, set page size, units, and grid spacing. Make sure rulers and guides are visible for precise placement. Load only the stencils you need to reduce clutter, then immediately save a new file version to preserve this baseline. This prevents accidental loss and allows safe iteration. Now you construct the core of the diagram. Drag shapes onto the canvas and use Auto Connect or the connector tool to create clear relationships. Connectors keep flow when you move shapes. Group related items in containers and separate concerns with layers so you can show or hide details. Callouts document decisions inline. Link external data sources when needed to keep visuals live. Then apply a consistent theme and use alignment and distribute tools to enforce visual hierarchy and professional. Finish by validating and packaging your work for others. Check connectors, run spell check, and preview page breaks and print margins so diagrams print cleanly. Once satisfied, export to PDF or image for distribution and keep a master Visio file for edits. Use save as with a version suffix. Share via OneDrive or Teams to preserve links and permissions. If something breaks, a quick troubleshooting tip. Check layer visibility and connector routing. Hidden layers or misrouted connectors are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.